See how easy affiliate marketing is with these tips. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make extra money, part-time from home or even full-time. If you create interesting content, you will attract readers to your site, and through affiliate ads, you will generate profits. You should follow the tips and tricks in this video to help you create a successful affiliate site. Affiliate marketing requires a lot more than selling great products. It also requires you keeping an up-to-date site to work as your digital shop. Use current web layouts or news on your domain to keep the patrons' attention. If you let your design or products run out of date, you will notice that you can't bring in those same quality customers you could previously. Affiliate marketing is a good way to make some money without having to invest a lot of money. You don't have to invest on buying or producing products. The only thing you have to worry about when it comes to affiliate marketing is advertising and marketing. You have to make sure your website attracts enough attention to where people are clicking on the links on there and buying the products they view, giving you your income. So you may need to invest in some software that will help you to write and post interesting and relevant content. Don't expect immediate results. While some products will immediately start bringing in sales, others take time. Your return readers will help to build your sales gradually, and this in turn brings you the money from the company you work for. This isn't an instant turnaround, but patience will help it pay off in the end. If you are planning to attempt affiliate marketing, one great tip is to give free reports. Have autoresponder messages mailed to those individuals who give you their personal information when they sign up for your site. Most of the time, a sale will be made with a seventh contact of a potential buyer. You don't have to limit yourself to just making one website. Expand your profit potential. If you start to see success after your first website, then make another website and double your profit potential on a monthly basis. Plus, after you make your first website and go through all the procedures of getting into affiliate marketing, it should be easier to make another because you're already familiar with the process. As was mentioned before in this video, affiliate marketing is a great way to make profits. However, it takes time, effort, and dedication to truly make your site attractive to your readers and stand out amongst the millions of similar sites across the web. Follow these tips in this video to find success through affiliate marketing online. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.